everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you know what this is the Jeffree Star Mystery Box Premium. So I kind of dug into it a little bit because I was like, I really want to see what I got in my mystery, and for $75 I was like, it's okay. I'm just gonna say it's okay for $75. Just not like, yeah. So first of all, we have Jeffree Star lip scrub in Sorbet Rainbow Sherbet. That's what it looks like. Super cute. I know everyone was like pretty fast at opening up their stuff, so I didn't get a chance to see what this actually looked like. So just this lip scrub, it's pretty big. 30 grams, 1 ounce, so that's really a lot of product just for a lip scrub, and it's green, smells pretty good, I guess, but I love lip scrubs, so that's well worth that. Next is the gloss, Jeffree Star lip gloss in Silk Rope. So this is my first lip gloss. It's kind of scary looking, but it's like a neutral, like a gray almost. But I like mixing lip products together. And so far, that's what it looks like. Not too bad. I love neutral looks, like on the lips, so I can work with that. Pretty nice shine there. And Cowboy Kiss tinted lip balm. So that's what it looks like. Kind of scary, but it's tinted, and that's what it looks like. It looks like a lipstick. And it's a bullet. Really nice. It has like some heavy weight to it. I was scared when I got this box if anything was gonna be melted, and no, because I had the tracking and I did not want my stuff to sit in the mailbox, so I made sure to get it right away. That's what it looks like. Not too bad. I'm glad it was tinted and not the actual. So I played with my singles, and this, you get a single Z palette. I think you can fit like 9 singles in here, and then I have this one. This is in the shade Power. It's like almost green blue dark color. I like that. So you get 3 singles with it, and then Raspberry and Priceless. So, and it comes in a carton like this. Pop it out and put it in your Z palette. So that's what it looks like. Very nice. I kind of want to travel with these because I don't know what palette I want to travel in. So that's what it looks like. And you get a Z palette, which is really nice. I don't think that's on his website. And the last product, for $75, I was like, not too impressed, but here's his new palette. I think I seen spoilers, so I was too excited. So I'll show you the palette. So it's like really wrapped well. Ooh, I like the texture. It's kind of weird texture, but it's Star Ranch from Jeffree Star. His new palette that is coming out very soon. I think it's supposed to come out like in July sometime. And that's what it looks like. Very different from Jeffree Star, but okay. And I wasn't too crazy about the color story, but I'm excited to try it. That's what it looks like. So we have Yak Farm, Owl Eyes Open Range, Casper Mountain, Wyoming, Star Creek, Ole Jeff, Grand Prismatic, and Winter Wind. So, interesting. I'm pretty sure with the big full-size palette, there'll be some pinks in it. I wish there was like a really bright pink in this palette, especially minus that color, and have a bright pink. But all in all, it's pretty nice. That green is calling my name. And this blue I like. So yeah, that is it for $75. It's okay. I've seen spoilers with the mini, and I want to get something from the mini that this should have had, I think. So stay tuned maybe next week, because I ordered the mini. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now. So now I'm going to be doing a look with my Jeffree Star singles and palette that I got today. And let's see. I'm going to go in with Priceless, the single right here. Just all over the lid real quick. And I think this was from Blue Blood, because I was checking if I got it, and this is good to travel with, so I kind of wanted all the singles. So just going all over the lid because it's the lightest shade I have. Now I'm going into Yak Farm, right there. The next darkest shade, well, lightest shade actually. Just going in the crease with the shade. And I have my lip gloss and lip balm on, and they feel really, really nice. I'm going to go into this beautiful baby blue called Grand Prism. I'm going into the crease still now with the shade. That is pretty. Now I'm going in with Power right here into the outer corner. And I don't think I have this shade in any of my palettes, so it's pretty nice. Now going into Winter Wind right here, this beautiful blue. The detailed brush is going in where I put that matte is, like close to that. Now going into Star Creek right here, all over the lid. So it's like beautiful green. I love greens more than blues. So pretty. I'm gonna use my finger with this shade. That's pretty. It's going all over the lid. Now I'm gonna go in with the raspberry. I think this was in Jawbreaker. here. Going in with this brown right here, and that is Wyoming. Next to that raspberry shade. Going to Ole Jeff right here. Like he's gone cowboy, cowgirl. Going right here. I'm gonna go into Casper Mountain right here. In the very inner corner. And here's a makeup tutorial using both palettes. Basically, this is a palette. Yeah, I like it. Very interesting that he's going a little neutral but I think the big palette will have the pink in it. I'm pretty sure, like pink. Come on. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. The look is pretty nice. I had to add that little raspberry shade in there to have a little bit different color. But I like it. I really like that green color. The blues are pretty. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.